Hello and welcome back to Motoflix channel. Today we are here on a very special day and we got the first SXR 160 bike in the Aprilia showroom. We are here at Premier Automobiles Vespa showroom in near Gachibowli in Hyderabad, and this is the first SXR 160 which just arrived yesterday, and the bike looks terrific. It's amazing. The wheel size that we have here is a 12-inch wheels, unlike in Bergman, which has a 12-inch at the front but 10-inch at the back. The wheel size is, I guess, it's 120 by 70, 12-inch with 58p rating. So these are the uh, tires on 12-inch alloy rims. The disc brakes is 3.5 millimeter, which is enough for a 160cc scooter, and this is an ABS standard on front wheels in all the bikes, all the SXR 160. It has a dual tone paint job with a combination of matte blue and black stickering that looks fantastic, and we have this plastic essence over here to protect the bike from any kind of impact from the side. Similarly, it has a twin headlamps which is which looks similar to the premium sports bikes from Aprilia, and it has a fully digital instrument console. That's how it is. It's a fuel injected model 2020 BS 6 variant. The basic passing switch, which is similar to what we have in the Aprilia SR 125 and 150. I think these lights are blinking. I'm not sure what for, but let me fire up the engine. Okay, so the bike is mounted on a display stand, so that's why we are not supposed to fire up the engine. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so the bike looks amazing from all angles. From whichever angle you look at it, it looks very proportionate and well built. So this is one has been displayed for test ride. So the rear wheels, as you can see, this is also a 12-inch rims with same size of tires, the front and back. The design of the exhaust is very nice. It's rectangular, and it matches with the overall look of the scooter, and it's very proportionate. As you can see here, you can see it in the blue Aprilia. The tail light are also LED, and it's a wraparound tail lights, and which starts from the sides and wraps around the entire rear portion of the bike and completely covers the tail piece. Like unlike with the Aprilia SR 125 or 150, where it is we have individual indicators, but this is not the case with SR 160. It's a completely new vehicle which is built on a new platform and new chassis. It doesn't share I would say it doesn't share the majority of the component, but yes, most of the parts like the engine and the alloy wheels, the disc brakes, these are similar to the SR 125, but the chassis, the frame is a bigger one, and it's much better than the SR 125 or 150 model. So we have a kickstart also, and this is the foot pegs for the rear passenger. And this bike here is in matte black, which is the same bike. So I will show you how to fire up the engine. Here's the key, turn it on. Sounds great. It has an instant torque and instant power. You can see the indicators are blinking. It sounds fantastic. I mean, it sounds like a sports bike, more like a sports bike rather than a scooter. The tail light looked awesome from the rear angle. If you look in this on the rear quarter, the tail light is very catchy. The seats are pretty big, and we have ample of storage space in the front. Let me show you. So you just have to push this key to open the luggage compartment. You can easily place any cell phones or anything, any small wallet or something like that, and there is a charging socket over here. You can charge your cell phone by connecting it simply to this glove box, and just have to push it with hand and it locks. Press it, it opens. See, it's very convenient, very nice. And the switch gears are quite similar to the SR125, but here there's something called mode. I don't know what it is. So I think it's I'm not sure what it is for.
Mode light passing.
So this is for the passing, this is for the headlight passing switch, I guess. This is the passing switch. I think this is the mode selector. It's for the riding mode, I guess. Maybe if you press this button, it will change the riding mode from economy to performance mode. I'm not sure. I mean, I leave that to the users, to the viewers who are viewing this video. You tell me if you have any experience. What is it for? I will be waiting for your comments as well. And there are a lot of under storage seat in this under storage facility in this seat as well. But the problem is you have to remove the key and insert it here. Open it, and you can easily store a full face helmet inside this glove box under the seat. This is somewhat similar to the SR125, but it's a lot bigger and wider as compared to the SR125 or SR150 range. This is very big. This is huge. The seats are very long and wide as well. So this is the advantage of owning a maxi scooter. So maxi scooter will have more space, more storage, more power and better performance. Here I especially like those flags here. It reminds me of the flag of Italy, so but it looks similar to our national flag as well. These are few components which are very high quality plastic. I mean, it's a very premium scooter. It's a very premium product, and it is not the first one. The first maxi scooter was a Kinetic Blaze, and whenever I see this scooter, it reminds me of my own Kinetic Blaze, which was in 2006 model, and it was in red color. Until 2006 or 7, I think the production stopped, but this one is going to stay here for a very long time. Look at the size of the scooter. I mean, you look from every angle, it looks huge. It's big and it's absolutely marvelous and eye-catching. In fact, it's bigger than any other scooter in its category. Comparing this scooter with Suzuki Bergman is not fair, because this bike is one segment higher than the Suzuki Bergman. It has more power, better grip, better stability, and it is a little bit expensive than the Suzuki Bergman, but you get value for money for this price tag. The size, look at the size of the seat. I mean, you can't get this kind of fit and finish on any of the scooters available in the Indian market today. Now, on-road price for this scooter is 1,54,000 in Hyderabad, and if you want to buy one, just come down to Premier automobile showroom here in Hyderabad. This is a very nice showroom. As you can see, we have all models, Vespa, Aprilia, and the booking amount is 5,000 rupees for now, and once you book the bike you will get it very soon. I mean, the time estimates, I'm not sure about the time estimates, but the showroom will be provided with the complete details.
Total 4 colors.
We have total 4 colors. This is the matte blue, this is the matte black, and we have red and white. So if I am going to book this bike, I am going to take the matte white variant for sure. As of now, the showroom staffs do not have that bike. This is a test ride bike. So but very soon, once I book my own bike, I am definitely gonna give you a complete walk around and how the bike looks. But I am pretty sure that the white one will look brilliant, and it's much more better than any other scooter on the streets of Hyderabad today. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know how we can do better. And here is the SXR 160, the most eagerly awaited bike in India today. And wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Thanks to Premier Automobiles and their staff for supporting me in making this video. Hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and see you next week. Have a great weekend.